Like versus as. First, we have to know the uses of like and as. Like is followed by a noun or a pronoun. As is followed by a noun or a pronoun plus a verb. Number 1, she cooks dash her mother. Her mother, noun. So here we use like. Next, do blank I would do. Here I, pronoun, plus do, verb. Pronoun plus verb. So here as. Next, do blank me. Me, pronoun. So here like. Number 4, she talks dash his father. Father, noun. So we have to use here like. She talks like his father. Next, she talks dash his father talks. Father, noun plus talks, verb. Noun plus verb as. She talks as his father talks. Next, Ritu dances dash his mother. His mother, noun. Noun or pronoun like. Ritu dances like his mother. Next and last, she sings dash a nightingale. Here, nightingale is also a noun. So, here like or as. You do this one. Subscribe to get more videos. Thanks for watching.